Hello, I'm Regan Ram with OrpheusAudioAcademy.com, helping you make better music and grow your fan base online. Now, as you probably already know since you're checking out this video, having an email list is one of the most foundational elements of growing your fan base and growing a music career. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use ConvertKit to embed a form on your website so you can start collecting the name and email address of your fans. So here I am in my ConvertKit account. So I have a video on this channel, which I'll link above and in the description below, that shows you how you can actually create a free ConvertKit account. And then once you do that, you simply go into landing pages and forms and choose the form that you want to embed. So I'm going to just have this basic sign up form here. You can see it's not very fancy. Okay, so simply go to embed, and here we are. Here's the code. We can copy that. And now we want to come over to our website. So now here is what the default block editor will look like in WordPress if you don't have any other page builder tools. So there's a little tutorial guide here that kind of welcomes you to it and shows you how to use it. But basically you just insert different blocks for different content types in your post. So we'll have test. And so I might just start typing. So this is a blog post, and then I want to put my form in. So then we just want to hit this little plus icon that says add block, and we will search for code. We don't want to hit the code icon here, as that will just display a code for other people to copy if they want. Short codes are a little different as well. So we want to do the custom HTML here, and we are going to paste that in. And as we can see, the form is now showing up right here on our website. So it's that simple. It's really easy to add forms to your website if you're using ConvertKit, so you can easily grow your email list and start building that fan base with your audience. Now, if you want more tips and tutorials on how to grow a fan base and also make better music, then feel free to like and subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye.